how to make your AMD GPU the default graphics processor on Windows 11. If you're looking to optimize your gaming or professional applications, stick around. Let's get started. First things first, we need to access the Windows 11 settings. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key plus I to open settings directly. In the Settings window, navigate to System and select Display from the sidebar. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Here you'll see options from configuring which GPU is used for different application. To set your AMD GPU as the default, click on Browse. This will open a file explorer window where you need to navigate to the .exe file of the application you want to configure. Once you've selected the applications, click Add. You'll now see it listed under the Graphics Performance Preference section. Click on the application, then click Options. Here you'll see three choices. Let Windows decide power saving and high performance. To use your AMD GPU, select High Performance. This ensures that AMD GPU is used for specific applications. Repeat these steps for any other application you want to run with the AMD GPU. If you want to make sure all applications use the AMD GPU by default, you might need to adjust settings in the AMD software itself. Now open the AMD, and that's it. You successfully set up your AMD GPU as a default for your applications.